Welcome back for another episode of Hard Hat Heroes, and this time we're about to attend a ribbon cutting ceremony for our Command Fiber Optics Training Facility. How exciting! They have no idea. Let's go do this.
Good morning. Guess what? I'm here for a ribbon cutting, but I'm also here to recognize all of you. You are our Hard Hat Heroes today. Woo! It can't be stressed enough at how much teaming is required to do something like this, right? 78 individuals across 9 NAVSEA organizations, with Puget Sound Naval Shipyard and Intermediate Maintenance Facility leading the way. It's actually really fantastic. When I took a look at the stats, I believe this project is expected to save $14 million over a 5-year period. This is where they're going to get the meat and bones of what fiber optics is and how it works. So we're not just teaching them the process, we're teaching them this is how it works. If this person knows why, they're going to go down there and know how a system works. If you just tell them, put it together this way, that's not working. You got to give them the whys. And I think that's what we're trying to accomplish, is why this works.
My favorite aspect of this whole experience is the team that brought it all together. We were very diverse. We had different passions, and because of our passions, it was very driven to get it correct. And everyone really, fought through making everything the best that we can make it for our shipyard.
There are a lot of very different cultures that we had to adapt through to get this done, and we were successful in doing that. And this is the fruition of that. And I thank you all.
And so the continued quest for process improvement and innovation at Puget Sound is inspiring. You are all inspirational. So one mission, one team, great job.